equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To replace the trigger on your Dyson V11, start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver and a clean cloth for internal cleaning. First, unplug the vacuum and remove the battery. This ensures safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the handle. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart. You may notice some dust inside. Use the cloth to clean the internal components. This is a good time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, inspect the trigger mechanism for any damage. If it looks worn, it's time to replace it. Insert the new trigger, ensuring it fits snugly. Reassemble the handle by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Remember, no calls, no travel, just pick up and delivery at your home. Finally, reattach the battery and test the trigger. If everything works smoothly, you're done. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.